Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to show you guys my simple wash day routine. This is how my hair looks. I just removed my braids like 2 days ago and I didn't want to wash my hair immediately. Yeah, so that's why it looks like this. And the first thing that I'm going to do is to add some water to the hair just to make it wet. Then I'm going to go ahead and use this hair shampoo. You can use any shampoo of your choice. So guys, as you can see from the video, I am putting the shampoo to the scalp and not directly on the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and put the shampoo all over this section. Then after that, I'm going to use my hands to just scrub the scalp. Then I'll use this brush to gently scrub the scalp again, just to further remove the buildup from the product. After I'm done with that section, I'm going to go ahead and work on the next section. So when I'm washing my hair, I always work in 3 sections because it's just much easier to work in sections. So I would recommend you to try that. So I'm going to repeat the same process all over the hair. So guys, I want to give a shout out to Cynthia Banda for suggesting this video. There's another video that I had posted, then I told you guys to suggest the hair videos that you'd like to see from me. Then she suggested a hair wash day video, and she has always been there in my inbox reminding me, no, post the video. When I post in the video, asking here on YouTube as well as on TikTok, on my TikTok videos, she's always asking, no, when I post in the video, but I finally posted it. Shout out to you, girl. Thank you for always watching my videos, and yeah, thank you so much. So guys, I'm done with this last section and I'm using this small brush for the last time. After doing that, I'm going to go ahead and give a massage to the scalp just to allow more blood flow to the scalp. So guys, the next thing that I'm going to do is to rinse off the shampoo with some warm water. I was using warm water here because it was cold when I was washing my hair and it was in the evening. So I'm carefully rinsing off the shampoo, and I'm concentrating on the scalp also because that's where most of the product is. So make sure at this stage that you are rinsing off all the products from the hair before you use the next product. So guys, this is how my hair looks when the shampoo is washed out. Guys, just look at the shrinkage. 40 hair can shrink, okay? Yeah, so I'm done rinsing off the hair, and I'm going to go ahead and wipe out some amount of water out of the hair. I won't completely dry the hair because of the next step that we're going to take. For this next step, I'm going to work in sections again. So I'm just separating my hair into smaller sections. And for conditioning, I'm going to use this conditioner from the same company as the shampoo. This is how it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it to this section of hair that I've separated from the rest of the hair. So I'll carefully and gently apply it to the hair. So guys, the other thing that I do as I am applying the conditioner is to finger detangle the hair. Before I go in with a white tooth comb, I detangle with my hand so that it will be easier and the hair will have less breakage as I comb with the white tooth comb. So guys, this is a comb that I'm going to use to detangle the hair. So I'm starting from the ends of the hair going to the roots. So guys, once I'm done with detangling the hair using the comb, I'm going to go ahead and twist the hair as shown in the video. Don't worry about the white part, that's just the conditioner. So this is how it looks, and I'm so happy with doing a little dance. Okay, so I'm going to continue doing the rest of the hair. I'll repeat the process, detangling with my hand, then I detangle with the comb. So I'll repeat the same process all over the head. Oh guys, so I'm done putting the conditioner to all parts of the hair, and this is how the hair looks. And the next thing that I'm going to do is to cover the hair with this plastic. So for this step you can use your shower cap. I'm using a plastic so that the moisture won't escape, like the hair won't dry as I am going to be waiting. So I'm also going to use a hair bonnet to cover it. So guys, after tying the head wrap, I'm going to wait for 30 minutes. Yeah, so this is me after 30 minutes, and I'm just going to go ahead and untie the bonnet, then I'll also remove the plastic. And guys, this is how the hair looks. It looks so moisturized. It's happy just as I am in the video. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and remove all the twists that are in the head. You guys can see that the hair is there's still shrinkage, but it looks healthy, and there's a little bit of some conditioner still showing. Yeah, so after removing the twists, I'm going to go ahead and rinse off the conditioner, because this conditioner that I use is not a leave-in conditioner. So guys, just as I did with the shampoo, I'm going to make sure that I rinse off all the conditioner from the hair as well as the scalp, making sure that I concentrate on the edges as well. After rinsing off the conditioner, this is how the hair looks. It looks clean. So I was done for the day because I was tired, and I continued the next day. So the next thing that I do is threading my hair as shown in the video. So the next day I just sprayed water and added some hair cream so that the hair will be easy to manage, because yeah, I slept just like this the previous day, because as I said, I was very tired, my hands were tired and the scalp was paining. So for this process, I recorded a separate video and I'll be posting it next week, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, so guys, thank you for watching. If you find value in this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to share with your friends. I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.